Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to the Artful Advent Day 14. Today is all about the Christmas tree and the angel topper. Let's get started. For the little angel, I'm going to start with a bright yellow because I want her to kind of look gold. Put a little halo on her too, so make sure you add that. These little lines here, they represent garland or tinsel. And I'm going to use red for mine. And I want a bright red for this. I want you to kind of bust the edges of the tree as well so that it's not so perfectly shaped. Make some thicker on one edge, thinner on the other. Gonna add some drops of water on those. You see how by making some thicker and some thinner, it kind of gives a fun shape to the tree. I want to add a brown stem to his trunk of the tree here. Kind of mixing the same color as my gingerbread for that, and the bell here because I like that they're next to one another. Raw sienna, a bit of orange and a bit of brown. I dried it, and now I'm going to mix a like yellow green. So I have a color called olive green, and it's more on the yellow side. So if you have a green or a blue, if you're mixing blue and yellow, make sure to add more yellow so it's more yellow-green. I'm going to do short little strokes. So it's going to look something like this with my brush. Gonna go strokes. So you can see just several layers of strokes. It's such a tiny area. I wanted you to see what I was doing here. I'm going to come in with a darker green now. So for this green, I want it a little darker, so a little more on the blue side. Again, I'm going to blot the water off the belly of my brush. I want to keep this nice and pointed. Now this is where the shading is going to be. So as it goes under the angel, I want it shaded there. Under the garland, I want it shaded there. Pull some littler and bigger. Now I'm going to go even deeper, so less water this time. And it's going to get littler. So now I'm not going to make my strokes quite as long. Just going to keep them really short up there. See how it's deepening? Not really stroking it on, I'm more like bouncing it kind of into the shadow area there. I'm going to take a little bit of the red, so some more bright red. I want to put a little thin line on the angel. And then I want to just add circles here to the garland. Barely touching the paper. I want to deepen the stem or the tree trunk there. I'm going into sepia. I'm going to touch a little bit of the dark green into it as well. So it makes kind of a brown green. With my Posca pen, I'm going to start on the angel, and I want her to add like a little dress to her in white here. So just imagine she's got a neckline. And then on the garland, I just want to add little dots. You can do circles, dots, whatever you want to do. I want little dots for mine. Make sure you bust the edges so they're come off a little bit. Can add just a little highlight here in the white part of the stem or in the trunk here. And then I'm going to brighten the angel's dress again. And there's our Christmas tree. If you were inspired by today's Christmas tree, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.